Implementation of Blue Origin's new Shepard system for suborbital flights, 5 key milestones and $1.8 billion investment by Q4 2024. Introduction. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is at the forefront of commercial spaceflight with its new Shepard system, which is designed for suborbital flights. This initiative is not only a leap towards space tourism but also a promising venture for scientific research in microgravity. With an ambitious investment of $1.8 billion aimed for completion by the fourth quarter of 2024, Blue Origin is gearing up to redefine access to space. Overview of New Shepard. The new Shepard system comprises two main components, a reusable rocket and a crew capsule. The rocket is designed for vertical launch and landing, allowing it to be reused for multiple flights, thereby reducing costs and environmental impact. The crew capsule is equipped to carry both paying customers and research payloads, providing a unique opportunity to experience weightlessness and gain insights into physical phenomena in microgravity. Key milestones. 1. Initial testing and flight certification. Blue Origin has conducted a series of successful test flights to validate the new Shepard system's capabilities. These flights have reached altitudes exceeding 100 kilometers, crossing the Kármán line, which is recognized as the boundary of space. The focus during these tests has been on safety protocols and system reliability, which are crucial for eventual commercial operations. The successful completion of these tests has laid a solid foundation for future flights. 2. Regulatory approvals. Acquiring regulatory approvals from the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) is a critical milestone for Blue Origin. The company has been actively engaging with the FAA to ensure compliance with safety and operational standards. Discussions have revolved around the necessary certifications that will allow Blue Origin to commence commercial flights. These regulatory approvals not only confirm the safety of the new Shepard system but also build public trust in commercial space travel. 3. Commercial partnerships. Establishing partnerships with research institutions and commercial entities is essential for expanding the utility of the new Shepard system. Blue Origin aims to facilitate scientific research through suborbital flights, enabling experiments that can only be conducted in microgravity. Collaborations with universities and private companies are being pursued to enhance research capabilities during these flights. This approach not only diversifies revenue streams but also positions Blue Origin as a leader in the intersection of space tourism and scientific advancement. 4. Infrastructure development. Ongoing investment in ground infrastructure is vital for supporting the increased frequency of operations. Enhancements to the existing launch site in West Texas are planned to accommodate the anticipated growth in flight activity. This includes improvements to launch facilities, recovery systems, and customer services to ensure a seamless experience for passengers and researchers alike. 5. Market launch and customer engagement. By Q4 2024, Blue Origin plans to launch its first commercial flights targeting a diverse customer base that includes space tourists and researchers. The company is actively marketing its suborbital experience, highlighting the unique opportunity for participants to experience weightlessness and view the curvature of the Earth. Marketing strategies aim to attract a broad audience ranging from affluent individuals seeking adventure to educational institutions looking to conduct experiments in space. Common key points from various sources. The $1.8 billion investment is a testament to Blue Origin's commitment to expanding its suborbital offerings and ensuring the reliability of the new Shepard system. Safety and regulatory compliance are universally acknowledged as paramount, emphasizing the necessity for rigorous testing and approval processes before commercial operations can commence. Collaboration with research entities is emphasized as a means to leverage suborbital flights for scientific advancements, showcasing the dual benefit of the new Shepard system. Differences between sources. While numerous sources outline the same milestones, some delve deeper into specific technological aspects of the new Shepard system. such as its reusable capabilities and innovative design. Others may focus on financial implications, discussing the competitive landscape of the emerging space tourism market, particularly in relation to competitors like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX, both of whom are also vying for a share of the burgeoning market. Timeline of events: 2020 to 2021, a series of initial test flights of the New Shepard are conducted, focusing on safety and system validation. 2022, regulatory discussions with the FAA intensify and partnerships with research institutions begin to form. 2023, a significant investment of $1.8 billion is announced, coupled with the initiation of infrastructure projects to support increased flight operations. Q4 2024, targeted launch of commercial flights, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of suborbital travel and research. Conclusion: Blue Origin's New Shepard system marks a transformative development in the suborbital flight sector, with a clear roadmap defined by key milestones, regulatory considerations, and the potential for innovative research applications. As the company approaches its commercial launch, it stands poised to reshape access to space for both tourists and scientists alike, heralding a new era in commercial spaceflight. This comprehensive overview captures the essence of Blue Origin's ambitious plans and the strategic steps it is taking to ensure success in the commercial space sector. As the fourth quarter of 2024 approaches, the world eagerly anticipates the dawn of a new chapter in suborbital travel. The implementation of Blue Origin's New Shepard system for suborbital flights highlights several counterintuitive aspects that are often overlooked in discussions about space tourism and scientific research. Here are some key points that may challenge conventional thinking. 1. Investment versus immediate returns. It's common to assume that significant investments such as the $1.8 billion allocated by Blue Origin will yield rapid financial returns. However, the timeline for profitability in the space tourism sector is inherently long. Many people might expect quick commercial success, but the reality is that establishing a reliable suborbital flight system, ensuring safety, and obtaining regulatory approvals can take years. The emphasis here is on long-term sustainability rather than short-term gains. 2. Public perception of safety. There is a widespread belief that the space industry is inherently dangerous, which can deter potential customers from engaging in space tourism. However, Blue Origin's extensive testing and focus on safety protocols might lead to a paradox where increased awareness of safety measures can actually bolster public confidence in suborbital flights. The counterintuitive idea is that a higher number of test flights, which may seem like an unnecessary precaution, could actually enhance consumer trust. 3. Collaboration over competition. The competitive nature of the space tourism market often leads to the perception that companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX are solely focused on outpacing each other. However, a key aspect of Blue Origin's strategy is its emphasis on collaboration with research institutions. This approach suggests that rather than being strictly competitive, companies in the space sector may find greater value in partnerships that expand their research capabilities and enhance the scientific community's engagement with space exploration. 4. Market demand for scientific research. Many might assume that the primary market for suborbital flights will be affluent space tourists seeking adventure. However, Blue Origin's strategy indicates a significant focus on scientific research as a revenue stream. This could be counterintuitive, as it challenges the notion that space tourism is solely about leisure and entertainment. The demand for microgravity research could be more substantial than anticipated, potentially driving a different kind of market growth. 5. Infrastructure development justification. The investment in substantial ground infrastructure may seem excessive, especially when considering the relatively short duration of suborbital flights. However, this development is not just about supporting current operations, it also prepares Blue Origin for future expansions in space tourism and research capabilities. This forward-thinking approach may appear counterintuitive. Why build for the future when the present is still developing? but it underscores the long-term vision that is essential in the space industry. 6. Regulatory engagement as strategic advantage. There is a common belief that regulatory hurdles are obstacles to innovation. In the case of Blue Origin, however, proactive engagement with regulatory bodies like the FAA can be seen as a strategic advantage. This engagement not only ensures compliance but also positions the company as a leader in safety and operational standards in the suborbital spaceflight sector, challenging the idea that regulatory processes are purely burdensome. 7. Customer base beyond tourists. While the narrative around space tourism often centers on wealthy individuals seeking unique experiences, Blue Origin's targeted marketing also includes educational institutions and researchers. This broader definition of the customer base challenges the notion that space tourism is a niche market solely for the elite. Instead, it suggests a diverse array of potential customers, including educational and scientific sectors, which could lead to more sustainable demand. These counterintuitive insights reveal a more nuanced understanding of the challenges and opportunities within the suborbital flight landscape. They illustrate that the implementation of the new Shepard system is not just a straightforward path to commercial success but a complex interplay of safety, collaboration, and long-term vision that could redefine access to space. In examining Blue Origin's new Shepard system and its implications for suborbital flight, certain elements, while seemingly straightforward, are often overlooked yet hold significant relevance for the future of space exploration and commercial endeavors. Here are some important content points that many may miss, along with explanations of their significance. 1. Impact of regulatory approvals on commercial viability. While the report mentions the regulatory approvals from the FAA as a key milestone, the complexity and implications of this process are frequently underestimated. The FAA's role extends beyond merely granting permissions. It embodies a stringent framework designed to ensure public safety, environmental protection, and compliance with national and international space laws. Significance. The ability of Blue Origin to secure these approvals swiftly and efficiently will not only dictate the timeline for launching commercial flights but will also set a precedent for future companies entering the suborbital market. Delays or complications in gaining regulatory approval can lead to significant financial repercussions and erode investor confidence. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape could influence public perception and acceptance of suborbital flights, particularly in the realm of space tourism. 2. Collaboration with research institutions. While the report highlights partnerships with research entities, it doesn't delve deeply into the transformative potential of these collaborations. The ability to conduct experiments in a microgravity environment is a unique selling point that distinguishes Blue Origin's offerings from competitors focused primarily on space tourism. Significance. These partnerships can drive innovation in various fields, including materials science, biology, and medicine, by providing researchers access to a previously inaccessible arena for experimentation. The outcomes of such research could lead to breakthroughs that enhance life on Earth or advance human understanding of space, thus justifying the investment in suborbital flights. Moreover, successful collaborations can bolster Blue Origin's reputation and credibility in the scientific community, leading to further partnerships and opportunities. 3. Infrastructure development beyond launch sites. The report mentions ongoing investments in ground infrastructure but fails to elaborate on the broader implications of this development. Infrastructure support is not solely about physical launch sites, it encompasses a robust supply chain, maintenance facilities, and logistical frameworks that are essential for operational sustainability. Significance. A comprehensive approach to infrastructure development ensures that Blue Origin can scale operations efficiently. This includes developing capabilities for rapid turnaround between flights, which is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the burgeoning space tourism market. Additionally, robust infrastructure can facilitate a higher frequency of flights, which is key to maximizing revenue and minimizing costs per flight, thereby enhancing the overall business model. 4. Market dynamics and competitive landscape. While the report mentions competitive dynamics with companies like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX, it glosses over the broader implications of these market relationships. The competitive landscape in the suborbital tourism sector is complex and involves not just direct competitors but potential collaborators such as space agencies and academic institutions. Significance: understanding the nuances of competition and collaboration can inform strategic decisions. For instance, partnerships with other players in the aerospace sector can lead to shared technologies and reduced costs through joint ventures. Furthermore, the competitive dynamics could influence pricing strategies for flights, impacting market accessibility and public interest in suborbital experiences. 5. Long-term vision and sustainability of suborbital flights. The report outlines immediate milestones but does not sufficiently address the long-term vision for suborbital flights. The sustainability of such operations will hinge on a clear strategic plan that considers environmental impacts, technological advancements, and evolving market demands. Significance: as public scrutiny over environmental concerns grows, Blue Origin must articulate how it plans to mitigate its carbon footprint and manage the environmental effects of frequent launches. Additionally, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability can enhance brand reputation and consumer loyalty, which are critical in a market that is just beginning to emerge. A long-term vision that emphasizes sustainability could also attract a broader range of stakeholders, including environmentally conscious investors and customers. 6. Public engagement and perception management. The report mentions customer engagement but does not detail how Blue Origin plans to cultivate public interest and manage perceptions of space tourism. Public trust and enthusiasm are paramount, especially considering the inherent risks associated with space travel. Significance: effective public engagement strategies will be essential for overcoming skepticism and fostering a culture of acceptance around space tourism. This includes transparent communication about safety measures, operational reliability, and the benefits of suborbital flight experiences. Engaging narratives and educational outreach can transform public perception, making space travel more relatable and desirable. Conclusion: while the report outlines a clear path for Blue Origin's new Shepard system, it is crucial to delve deeper into the overlooked aspects that hold significant implications for the success and sustainability of suborbital flights. Understanding the interplay of regulatory frameworks, collaborative potential, infrastructure development, competitive dynamics, long-term sustainability, and public engagement strategies can provide a more comprehensive picture of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. These elements are crucial not only for Blue Origin's trajectory but also for the future landscape of commercial space travel and scientific exploration. The implementation of Blue Origin's new Shepard system for suborbital flights represents a significant development in the burgeoning field of commercial space travel. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Investment and financial implications. The announcement of a $1.8 billion investment by Q4 2024 underscores Blue Origin's commitment to establishing a robust suborbital flight program. This financial backing is not only critical for enhancing the technical capabilities of the new Shepard system but also for ensuring operational scalability. The investment likely covers various aspects, including research and development, infrastructure upgrades, and marketing efforts to attract customers. Analyzing the financial strategies and implications of this investment can shed light on Blue Origin's long-term vision in a competitive market increasingly populated by players like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX. 2. Regulatory framework and compliance. Regulatory approvals, particularly from the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA), are pivotal to Blue Origin's operations. The emphasis on safety and compliance highlights the stringent requirements that spaceflight companies must adhere to before launching commercial flights. In-depth discussion on the regulatory landscape can explore the challenges and processes involved in obtaining these approvals, including safety protocols and risk management strategies. Understanding how Blue Origin navigates these regulatory hurdles will be essential for assessing its readiness for commercial operations. 3. Technological advancements and reusability. The new Shepard system's design, featuring a reusable rocket and crew capsule, is a cornerstone of its operational philosophy. Analyzing the technological innovations within the new Shepard system, such as its ascent and descent dynamics and safety features, can provide insights into how Blue Origin aims to differentiate itself in the market. The reusability aspect not only enhances cost efficiency but also aligns with broader industry trends towards sustainable space exploration. A discussion on the technical capabilities and innovations could also compare Blue Origin's approach with that of its competitors, evaluating the effectiveness and reliability of different systems. 4. Commercial partnerships and research opportunities. The establishment of partnerships with research institutions and commercial entities is a significant milestone for Blue Origin. These collaborations are essential for leveraging suborbital flights for scientific research, enabling experiments in microgravity conditions that are otherwise challenging to conduct. An in-depth examination of these partnerships can reveal the potential for advancements in various scientific fields and the mutual benefits for both Blue Origin and its partners. Furthermore, the role of these partnerships in fostering innovation and enhancing the company's credibility in the space sector warrants thorough analysis. Conclusion. The implementation of the new Shepard system is poised to reshape the suborbital flight market. By focusing on the financial implications of the $1.8 billion investment, the complexities of regulatory compliance, the technological innovations of the spacecraft, and the importance of commercial partnerships, a comprehensive understanding of Blue Origin's strategic positioning can be developed. Each of these points not only highlights the current state of Blue Origin's operations but also sets the stage for future developments in the space tourism and research landscape. 1. The Apollo Program 1961–1972. The Apollo program, initiated by NASA, was a series of space missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. It culminated in the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface. The program involved significant technological advancements and rigorous testing similar to Blue Origin's new Shepard system. The Apollo program's milestones included the successful testing of the Saturn V rocket, the development of the lunar module, and achieving the necessary regulatory approvals for human spaceflight. The total cost of the Apollo program was approximately $25.4 billion, equivalent to over $150 billion today, underscoring the substantial investment and commitment required for ambitious space exploration initiatives. 2. Space Shuttle Program 1981–2011. NASA's Space Shuttle program was a significant advancement in reusable spacecraft technology, allowing for multiple missions to low Earth orbit. The program was launched in 1981 and included notable milestones such as the first successful shuttle launch STS-1, the deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope, and the assembly of the International Space Station ISS. The program faced challenges including tragic accidents, Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003, which emphasized the importance of safety and regulatory compliance, much like the focus on safety in Blue Origin's new Shepard program. The Space Shuttle program required extensive infrastructure development, including launch facilities and ground support, paralleling Blue Origin's ongoing infrastructure investments. 3. Virgin Galactic Spaceship Two Program 2004–present. Virgin Galactic, founded by Sir Richard Branson, aims to provide suborbital space tourism flights. The Spaceship Two vehicle has undergone numerous test flights with milestones including the first crewed suborbital flight in 2018 and subsequent test flights to gather data on passenger experiences and vehicle performance. Similar to Blue Origin's new Shepard, Virgin Galactic has focused on safety and regulatory approvals from the FAA. The company has invested heavily in the development of its space tourism platform with a reported cost of over $1 billion. The commercial launch of Spaceship Two aims to cater to space tourists, researchers, and educational programs, aligning with Blue Origin's goals of expanding access to suborbital flight experiences. Future outlook, predictions for Blue Origin's new Shepard system by 2025 and beyond. As Blue Origin progresses towards the completion of its new Shepard system for suborbital flights, the next few years are poised to be transformative for the company and the broader space industry. With the $1.8 billion investment expected to culminate in Q4 2024, several key trends and predictions can be anticipated as the company embarks on its commercial journey. Here are 5 key predictions for the future of Blue Origin's new Shepard system and its impact on suborbital flights. 1. Expansion of commercial space tourism. By 2025, Blue Origin is expected to establish itself as a leader in the commercial space tourism market. With the launch of its first commercial flights, the company will likely attract a diverse customer base, including affluent individuals seeking the thrill of space travel and organizations looking to leverage unique suborbital experiences for promotional purposes. The anticipated demand for suborbital experiences will likely lead to increased flight frequency, creating a robust market for space tourism that could rival existing offerings from competitors like Virgin Galactic. 2. Growth in scientific research opportunities. The collaboration with research institutions and private entities is predicted to yield a surge in scientific research conducted in microgravity environments. By 2025, Blue Origin could facilitate numerous suborbital research flights, allowing scientists to test theories and conduct experiments that are only possible in the unique conditions of space. This aspect of the new Shepard system is likely to attract universities and research organizations, potentially resulting in an increase in partnerships and a portfolio of scientific achievements that demonstrate the system's value beyond tourism. 3. Technological advancements and innovations. As Blue Origin continues to refine the new Shepard system, technological advancements are expected to emerge from its operational experience. Enhanced safety features, improved launch and recovery systems, and innovations in reusable rocket technology could be developed by 2025. These advancements may not only improve the efficiency and reliability of the new Shepard flights but also provide insights that can be applied to future space exploration missions, including those aimed at orbital flights and beyond. 4. Regulatory evolution and industry standards. The initial regulatory framework established for suborbital flights is likely to evolve as the industry matures. By 2025, Blue Origin and other players in the space tourism sector may influence the development of new regulatory standards that prioritize safety while fostering innovation. The experiences gained from early commercial flights will inform regulatory bodies, potentially leading to streamlined approval processes and clearer guidelines for future suborbital and orbital operations. This evolution could help to attract new entrants to the market and stimulate further investment in space travel. 5. Increased competition and market dynamics. As Blue Origin successfully initiates commercial operations with the new Shepard system, competition in the suborbital flight sector is expected to intensify. By 2025, established companies like Virgin Galactic and newer entrants may ramp up their efforts to capture market share, leading to innovative pricing strategies and differentiated offerings. This competitive landscape could drive down costs for consumers while simultaneously increasing the quality and variety of experiences available, ultimately benefiting the burgeoning space tourism industry and making space more accessible. Conclusion. The future of Blue Origin's new Shepard system is poised for significant developments as it transitions into commercial operations by late 2024. The predicted growth in space tourism, scientific research applications, technological advancements, regulatory evolution, and increased competition will collectively shape the landscape of suborbital flights. As the company continues to innovate and expand its offerings, it is likely to play a crucial role in redefining access to space, providing unique experiences for tourists and invaluable opportunities for researchers alike. The next few years will be pivotal as Blue Origin navigates this new frontier, making a lasting impact on the future of space travel.